How to write a great topic sentence for a paragraph. A topic sentence is the first lead sentence in a paragraph consisting of multiple sentences. The topic sentence summarizes the main idea of the paragraph. It sets the expectation about what is to follow in the rest of the paragraph. You can even say it's like a little commercial for whatever is to follow. Here are two examples. Let's say the paragraph topic is gentrification of inner cities. So the topic sentence may go something like, many cities went through the gentrification process for various reasons. Another example, paragraph topic. Let's say our paragraph is about the importance of math education. So the topic sentence introducing this topic can go something like this. Since the invention of algebra, mathematics has solved many social, legal, and commercial problems that were deemed unsolvable earlier. So here are two exercises for you. Exercise 1. Write an appropriate topic sentence for the following paragraph topic. The topic is rules of success in life. What would be a good topic sentence? And the second exercise is just the reverse. I will give you the topic sentence, which is, there are many reasons why dogs are known as mankind's best friends. And I will ask you to come up with an appropriate topic. What could be the topic for this paragraph that starts with the sentence, there are many reasons why dogs are known as mankind's best friends. Good luck to you and see you in the next video.